listen. You'll have to ask them how tech savvy. I can tell you how tech savvy I am. Like I said earlier, I don't consider myself very, very tech savvy. But I'm getting there. I think like a little bit. I am a little bit resistant towards technology, but I realize that you also have to move with the times.
Lime is going to be cool enough to make it.
Exactly, that's what I said. So I think, and I think this app is something that's completely. Trust me, I'm not saying it because I need to say it. It's something that after a very long time has really blown my mind. You have to check it out to see what it is all about. I don't know. I'm not sure of what the marketing plan is, honestly. In fact, today I have stepped out after a very long time. I have been completely immersed in shooting both of these films and completing them because we've announced the release date of both these films and we're working round the clock so that we don't miss that release date. Both films, and especially Bajirao Mastani, has been extremely, extremely demanding. I think some of you have been on the set as well. It's a film that's been very, very demanding physically, mentally and emotionally. So much so that I've been completely cut off from every aspect of everything else to do with my life. Today is the first time that I've stepped out after a very long time. That's why I think when the flashbulbs went off, it took me a while because it hasn't happened in a while. So yeah, I have no idea what the marketing or promotion plan is. But I'm sure whenever we do, whatever we do, I'm sure we'll do together.
Is 22nd when the trailers will be coming out?
Yes. Yeah, 22nd of this month, my God, yeah.
Deepika, you've done some really amazing ad campaigns for Axis Bank. So now, how much do you actually relate to each charity you've played? And with Lime being launched, what more can we expect from your part in terms of ad campaigns? You've done some really amazing ad campaigns.
Yeah.
So how much you relate to them on a personal level, to each character that you've played? And also with Lime being launched, what more can we expect from your part?
Well, you're definitely going to see, I think, we're definitely going to see a campaign that involves me and Lime at some point. Other than that, yes, I think the campaign has been very, very popular. I'm going to bring in my dad here and say that I think Axis was the first one to sort of move in and get the two of us together. And I think it's a very, very organic. I've always said that I think brand endorsements always have to be an extension of your personality. Like I was mentioning to him earlier, I don't understand investments. It's my father's department. He takes care of that for me, and I believe he's done a very good job of it. So for a bank to step in, for Axis Bank to step in and say, let's sign them, was a very, very organic process, So something like that, I'm sure it's going to involve either my dad and me or just me. But so far, whatever we've done has been very, very successful. And I specifically want to mention the print campaign here with my dad. I think a lot of people really enjoyed those hoardings, and there was a lot of freshness to that entire campaign, and you'll see many more of those.
So if I can just add, we're delighted to have Deepika and Prakash as our the campaigns, and we'd love to capture that in the future as well.
Fashion icon of the nation. No. We think you're a fashion icon. I definitely think you're a fashion icon. So tell me, will Lime actually change the fashion market? Will it bring any change in the fashion market for India?
I think that's a question.
I think people.
For me, white is an all-time favorite. When I don't have much time to do fitting, and anyway, I'm not someone who's like, I don't consider myself fashion forward or whatever in that sense. I think I've always believed that I have professionals who do that job for me, and they do it very, very well. And whatever they believe is right. Of course, today I felt like, something easy and simple, and that's that.
Mrs. Sharma, just one question that wasn't answered earlier is whether you're still interested in the Payments Bank tie-up, because the last time we spoke you said you were exploring options.
Deepika, since your face is the known face which you are endorsing a lot of products and you always come up to support a lot of social causes as well. So whenever you just do all these things, so what are the first and foremost thing, what do you just look up for when you just come up to support a cause or endorse a product?
I think brands and then causes, they're two sort of, in a way different, but also actually in a way similar. I think that any cause that you support or any brand that you endorse, like I said earlier, has to be an extension of what you believe in and what you stand for. So I think if you look at my portfolio of brands, I think most of them will be an extension of something that I believe in or something that I stand for. Mental health is what I'm looking at from a what do you say? Yeah, from a cause point of view, I think it's mental health, and we will be launching next month. And 10th of October is World Mental Health Day, and I think that's the day we're looking at launching the foundation officially. But we'll meet separately for that, and we'll talk to you about the plans on what the foundation is looking at doing over the next couple of years.
Deepika, given the fact that you have partnered with Access now, and also the fact that you have had a tremendous run at the box office, don't you think you should officially become the highest paid actress in Bollywood now?
I'm sure she will, if she isn't already.
Are you, Deepika?
I wouldn't know, but what I can tell you is that I'm terrible at math, so number crunching is not my thing.
Thank you.
There are a few. Don't ask me to name what it is. I don't think that's right, because some people do, some people don't. Yes, there are certain things that I consciously stay away from.
What is the sequence of the word knives and the color green? How does it relate to banking?
So,
structure. So it uses the traditional.
I think 2-3 times that came up. Any particular reason?
So you can shop for pretty much anything,
Because you can shop
including
for
fashion
anything,
brands.
right?
but you can shop on any site, and therefore you can shop for any product.
So Gopika, we've used technology for us to be able.
I will do it now. I think it's just gone live today. Close. So I'll do it now.
What feature of could be something that you would really want to use the most?
Taking some money from my dad, maybe.